I stopped at another Home Depot today to see what kind of plants they had. And right away, the first thing that caught my attention was this huge display of cactus. Now, some people absolutely love cactus, and some people really don't like them at all. But when you start looking closer at these cactus plants, you realize how beautiful they really are. And this store actually has quite a few varieties right now. Tall cactus, small ones, different shapes. You don't always see this many in one place. Here's a little fun fact about cactus. Those thorns are actually modified leaves. Over time, the plant evolved them to help protect itself and to reduce water loss in the desert. Of course, being here in Arizona, cactus are always part of the landscape. Now, my channel is mostly about growing lush plants here in the desert, but cactus are definitely part of the story out here. And for people who enjoy cactus, these garden centers can actually be a lot of fun to walk through. One thing I've noticed though, every Home Depot is a little different. Some have stronger plant selections than others. And actually, there's a Home Depot and Lowe's not far from here that are really close together. In an upcoming video, I'm going to visit both of them and see which garden center carries the better plants. Let's take a look around and see what else they have here today. Sometimes you can find some really interesting plants in these stores, and other times the selection is a little bit more basic. But that's part of what makes it interesting. You never really know what you're going to find from one of these locations. A lot of these plants can actually do very well here in Arizona if you give them the right conditions. A little shade, some protection from the afternoon sun, and constant watering can make a big difference. That's really the key to helping many of these plants succeed in the desert. For plant lovers, places like this can be a lot of fun to explore. Sometimes you'll even find something a little unexpected. And that's one of the reasons why I like visiting different stores. You never know what might show up. Every Home Depot is a little different, and today this one definitely had a pretty interesting cactus display. It's always fun to stop in and see what they have. And like I mentioned earlier, I'll be visiting a Home Depot and a Lowe's that are right next to each other. And this will be soon to see which garden center really has the better plants. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.